guys, guess what? It's Minnie! So this isn't actually Minnie the Mazda, but when I saw this car for rent on Turo, I just had to get it, just for old time's sake. So the last time I spoke with you, that angle, the last time I spoke with you guys, I had just gotten an apartment. The next day was Thanksgiving. I didn't actually vlog anything yesterday. It was the first chance I had to be really lazy. So I just like slept all day, laid in bed, watched TV. I ended up going for a walk and going out to eat and having a really sad Chinese meal all by myself on Thanksgiving, but it's not the holiday for me. So let's just move on. Today is Black Friday. We'll get to why that's a problem. But I am moving into my place today. So I rented a car, they dropped it off at my Airbnb. So I wanna run some errands. But of course, it's Black Friday. And I wanted to go buy just a couple of things, just some creature comforts that I would want right away. But I don't know if that's really gonna happen because it's like the worst day to go shopping in my opinion. But I'm gonna go run some errands and then we're gonna move into my new place today. Yay! And it's here! My Mazda! Just kidding. I'm gonna move into a real room that I am paying for. I have lived rent-free for a long time, so things are about to change. Literally the very back of the parking lot. All of these grand visions for the day. I really went to Target just so I could get bedding. I wanted to get a mattress topper and some new sheets and comforter and stuff, but I get into Target. First of all, I don't even want to be here. The prices were really high, and then I realized I don't even know what I want. I'm not even sure what size the bed is. So instead of getting my apartment all cute and ready to show you guys, I think I'm just gonna wait. You're gonna have to wait a little longer for a tour. Yeah, didn't really do what I came out to do, but I did find a really good deal on Tupperware, and I know I'm gonna need Tupperware, so. And then I also got some Dr. Bronner's soap. Didn't get anything fun, just got things that I actually need. I'm gonna go back to the Airbnb, throw in a load of laundry, and then move all of my stuff into this Mazda. I'm exhausted. I'm so tired all the time. And it's because I'm not drinking enough water because the water at this Airbnb doesn't taste good. And I'm just feeling really broke with like getting an apartment and stuff. So I have been eating just really cheap food like Taco Bell and Subway and a lot of noodles. Like Asian food is pretty cheap. So I've been eating a lot of ramen, a lot of like Chinese food, fried rice. So not the diet that I perform best at. So I'm just like tired and sluggish, and I'm like trying to be excited and stuff, but I just need to take care of myself. I just need to get a job. So I don't know, my head is like in a few different places right now. It has been a crazy week with so many ups and downs. Do you guys want to see a little elbow update? I'll end on this note for now. If you don't like gross things, look away. But I fell really bad and I've been airing out my elbow today. And as you can see, it's like pussy and it is still stinging really bad. Like, it's disgusting. I hate walking around with a wound like this because there's a lot of druggies out there and a lot of like meth users out there. And I'm just terrified that like having huge open wounds will make me look like I'm a meth addict or something. But anyways, sidebar over. I will talk to you guys later.
How can I help you today?
Yeah, so I'm having a little bit of an issue with my card. So I have a checking account with US Bank as well, and they canceled my debit card without letting me know. So I just found out, and I'm in the middle of moving to Hawaii. So essentially, I just don't have any access to cash.
25.99% APR.
Until I pay it back?
Until it's been all the way paid off, that's correct.
Okay, got it. But you're able to give me my PIN now?
No, ma'am, I would have to mail it to you.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna have to figure something else out then. I'll just, because that's not helpful. So.
Alrighty.
I had my debit card here, like planning to take the cash out that I needed with that debit card. I didn't want to just move around with all this cash on me. I'm living without, I have nothing. I have nothing until I open up a bank account and transfer that money, and then that takes a few days. So I'm frustrated because the cash that I have on me is the cash that I need to pay for the apartment that I'm moving into today. Basically, I'm just gonna short the guy. I'm not even gonna like call and tell him. I'm embarrassed that I even have to do this, but like, this sucks. I'm so fucking mad. Okay. I'm gonna go open up a new bank account. And I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. I've had a moment to decompress, singing and driving around. I decided to take advantage of some free time I had between me getting into my apartment, and I just wanted to like get out of the Honolulu area because I am paying for this car for the whole day. I might as well go somewhere a little off the beaten path. So I'm at Kailua Beach Park. It's crowded. Again, this is the Friday after Thanksgiving. Everyone is out and about with their fams. But I just thought I would go check it out and show you guys. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. What a ride. Thanks for hanging out with me through this entire experience. It's been a roller coaster. Ups, downs, boring. Yeah. Now I'm kind of just getting into job hunting mode, getting settled into my new place, which again, I just kind of want to show you guys like a before and after situation, not what it looks like right away. I just think that's more fun. So I'm always asking you guys to be patient with me and just let me live my life. And, you know, I try and share with you guys what I want to share with you, really. So that's a thing. Let's go walk along the beach. I don't think I'm gonna get in because I've got this awful wound on my elbow and it's still quite oozy. So I like to wait a little while before putting myself at risk for infection and that sort of thing, which is so lame that I keep getting hurt lately. It's been a rough couple months. Okay. What a day. Oh, as far as the apartment goes, let's just hope that my landlord is cool because honestly, I have to short him money. Totally random, lame complication to go through. I'm really just crossing my fingers that my new landlord doesn't judge me too much and isn't concerned that I'm gonna be unreliable because I pride myself on being a good tenant. I'd like to think if there's an issue, this vlog will not end here. It'll end with me being homeless and crying on the side of the road. But we're gonna just cross our fingers that this dude gives me some leeway as far as paying the full amount. I'm only shorting him like $200, but Anyways, I gotta go. I gotta go like breathe some fresh air, get my feet in the water maybe. Check out this beautiful beach. So, let's go.